In this tutorial you will study about how to create virtual machines by typical method in VMware Workstation 9 and install CentOS operating system by easy method in VMware Workstation 9 on Linux-based systems. To create virtual machine in VMware Workstation 9, click Create a new virtual machine. Select a virtual machine configuration. For example, select a typical or custom configuration. If you select a typical configuration, it means you accept defaults or basic virtual machine settings. If you select a custom configuration, then you can perform any hardware customizations. Click Typical Radio button, and click Next. Now at this stage there are two ways to install Linux operating system by easy method in VMware Workstation 9. First is by using physical drive, and second one is using ISO image file. If you choose use a physical drive, then Virtual Machine Wizard automatically detect an operating system which is in the DVD writer. If you choose use ISO image, then you can browse an ISO file for the installation of operating system. After that, Virtual Machine Wizard automatically detect an operating system. After that, click Next. Now enter some information about user which will automatically create with root user. This password is for both new user and super user, which is root. After that, click Next. Now type the name of virtual machine and browse a location where you want to save virtual machines files. After that, click Next. The virtual machine hard disk is stored as one or more files on the host computer physical disk. These files start small and become large as you add applications, files, and data to your virtual machines. Now enter a disk size in GB. At this stage there are two ways to save virtual machines hard disk. First one is store virtual disk as a single file. Second one is split virtual disk into multiple files. Splitting the disk makes it easier to move the virtual machine to another computer, but may reduce performance with very large disks. Click Next. Click Customize Hardware. Now you can change virtual machine hardware settings. Click Network Adapter. If you want to connect directly to the physical network, then click Bridged. Now click Sound Card and check Connect at Power On. Now click Display and check Accelerate 3D Graphics if you have 3D graphics, and click Close. At last, click Finish. After this, virtual machine automatically start, and it start configure operating system settings automatically. Now it's going to check dependencies and packages selected for installation. Now easy install process starts installation automatically. Performing post-installation configuration. Installing bootloader. Finishing post-installation scripts. Rebooting system. Operating system going to start. Now easy install process going to install VMware tools automatically. It will take 1 or 2 minutes. Click here to enter full screen mode. Click on user to login. Enter user's password. Now to check VMware Tools features, I am going to create a file on physical computer and copy it, and then I paste it on virtual machine. Thanks to viewhavestudy.com videos, you can also view our other video tutorials about C language, Linux, Windows, virtualization, and many more.